Hi guys, so I am back with my fourth and final Inktober. So for Inktober I have taken part every week on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram when I am free and I have a little bit of time to do some doodling. I haven't kept up with it every day because I wanted to make sure I wasn't stressing about getting out a new illustration every single day, and I actually really enjoyed doing it because I could just take my time on it and I didn't feel pressured or rushed to do anything. So for this last Inktober, I am going to be painting some pumpkins. So I wanted to do something that was quite simple because I am currently working on my first animation for my my new course, which is in illustration and animation. There will be a video up next week showing how my first month went. So let's go and get started. For my illustration, I used a palette, Winsor and Newton inks, water, an erasable colour pencil, a range of different paintbrushes, fine liners and pipettes. On this side of the sketchbook, I used my erasable pencil to draw out some ideas for my pumpkins. I wanted them to have really funny little faces, and I wanted them to be kind of quirky and maybe a little bit angular. You can kind of see here they've got a bit more shape to them than to just being round. So once I'd finished sketching out my ideas and I'd planned out what I wanted, I went to the other side of the page and I sketched out my final sketch. So I really liked the idea of having one big eye and one little really small eye on this pumpkin with a little mouth with just one tooth. And then I wanted a longer one and two little smaller ones as well. Using the pipette, I took the inks I wanted to use and put them into my palette. For this one I wanted to use more colours. For my last two Inktober's I have just used black and gold, but this time I thought I'd be different again and I'd use more colours. This time I decided to kind of stick to a paint palette of oranges, yellows and a little bit of red, plus some gold as well to kind of tie in all my Inktober's together. I used a lot of different ranges of brushes and I mixed a lot of the colours together to kind of give shadows and different textures and effects on each individual pumpkin. I then used a brown ink as well to add in the eyes and the little stalks as well, and I made sure to add in some little texture to these stalks as well, just to add some more interest into the illustration. I also went over the lines and things with the brown ink as well. I then took my gold, which I am still in love with and I still really like the gold ink, and I coloured in the ground with it. Using a fine liner, I just added a bit more definition to my pumpkins. I also shaded in the eyes and the mouth a little bit more using the fine liner. Overall, I'm really happy with the result and I love the colours I used and I think they work really well together, and the gold still fits in my black and gold theme I have been going with too. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a massive thumbs up and hit the bell button and the subscribe button to be notified when my next video comes out. And that will be my first studio vlog, well, my first monthly studio vlog, which I'm really excited to start doing, and I really hope you like this one that will be coming out next week. Also, did you take part in Inktober? If you did, let me know in the comments below. Did you take part of the whole thing or did you just do it when you could? Let me know what you did for it and I'll reply to your comments. Thanks for watching. Bye!